Hey guys, I'm Matt Pittman, BBQ Pitmaster at Meat Church. And today I thought I'd show you an alternative to that smoked turkey and make you a big smoked turkey breast. So this is gonna be a two-part recipe. First, we're gonna make a really simple brine, which is gonna consist of salt, sugar, my barbecue rub, some whole peppercorns, bay leaf, and we're gonna top it off with some citrus. We're gonna soak that turkey breast in this food-safe container for about 4 hours to impart some serious moisture in it. Then we're gonna bring it over here to our offset and we're gonna smoke it at 275 degrees. And today I'm gonna use pecan wood. Pecan is a lighter smoke wood in the hardwood family. It's gonna be an amazing color and a super great taste that you guys are gonna love. Let's make this brine. We've got a gallon of water in this bowl. We're gonna dump in 1.5 cups of kosher salt, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of your favorite barbecue rub. We're using Meat Church Honey Hog, good all purpose. We're gonna mix this up thoroughly. You can elect to warm this brine to dissolve the ingredients more quickly, but I just stir it cold. Now that our brine mix is thoroughly dissolved, we're gonna pour it in this YETI Loadout bucket, which is a food-safe container. And then we're gonna add some other ingredients. So I'm gonna add whole black peppercorns, I'm gonna add some bay leaves, and some citrus off a couple oranges. Now it's time to take our turkey and completely submerge it in the brine mixture. I want to brine this for about 4 hours. So I'm going to put this in a cooler with ice. You could also put this in a brine bag in your refrigerator, but this works great for me. We've had this turkey breast brining for about 4 hours. So we're going to pull it out and pat it really, really dry. This recipe is really unique. We're gonna start with a mayonnaise binder, which is pretty unheard of. So I want you to try a really high quality mayonnaise. I want you to just get kind of probably a tablespoon or so and slather this. Slathers act as a vehicle for your rub to adhere quicker, but in this case, this mayonnaise acts as a moisture barrier. So here's the next thing. We're not gonna season this in a traditional manner. We're gonna season this with my beef seasoning. So clean hand, because I'm dealing with poultry, and I like to season up high. If you season 18 inches high, you get a nice even application. So that looks pretty good, nice and even. I'm gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes and then we're gonna get it ready for our offset stick burner. The seasoning's been sitting on here for about 15 minutes. It's nice and adhered. Again, we're gonna cook at 275 degrees. The time it's gonna take you to cook this is dependent on the size of your breast, but what you're looking for is no more than 165 degrees internal temperature. I'm gonna cook it to about 160 in the thickest part because when you pull this piece of meat, it's gonna carry over cook another few degrees, so I don't wanna go any further than that. So I've just temped the turkey breast. It's 160 degrees, so it's time to pull it off and time for my family to eat. So look at that color, it's gorgeous. Man, this is super juicy. And you can really see where the smoke has penetrated that turkey, so you see a huge smoke ring all the way around. That's pure Texas turkey right there. Nice and juicy, pecan smoke, the flavoring, super, super good. So for more recipes like this, go to academy.com. And for all your gear you need for your next holiday cook, be sure to visit your local Academy Sports and Outdoors.